Here I have CAT S61, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, and then phone ringtone. Let's select from media storage, and here you can see the whole list of the pre-installed ringtones. You can set it to for none of these ringtones. You can add your own ringtone by just selecting the music file from your phone storage, but as you can see I don't have any music files on my device, so I'll just stay with one of the presets, and I guess I'll just select my all-time favorite. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.